Hi YouTube, this is Latanya coming from Happy Scrapping 45 with the haul from Joann's. Went to Joann's today, very disappointed. They have all their paper pads except these new ones that they have for DC die cut with a view. They was 8x11s. They was not paper pads. They was just paper, 180 sheets. And these was the new ones that just came in. I had seen someone on YouTube. They showed where all the new paper had came into Joann's. So I went out this morning hoping to get some of this new paper. Those particular stacks, the ones that was 8x11, those was not on sale. Those was regular $14.99. And I mean, I could have used my 40% off, but I had like about I think I had 4 different kinds. I had one for a girl, one for a boy, all occasions, and then it was another one. But it was pretty. It was nothing but paper, but it was 180 sheets. So what I ended up buying, since I was there and I had a 25% off my complete order, I bought the Magnolia stack 48 sheets, and that's this right here. Let me move this chair. And this is how it looks. The Magnolia waist stack. It's pretty. By DCWV. And this is how it looks. Let me see. I'm not a good paper flipper, so.
Rocket is thanking you for helping teach him how to dance.
Oh, see, I'm not good at this.
Aw, you're welcome,
but
Rocket.
it got a lot of butterflies in. That's what made me get it. And then I also got the paper creation magazine, because I want to start making some cards and I need to get some little ideas. So I thought I'd start looking at this magazines to get some type of ideas. And then they had their paper on sale, 2 for $5. So I got the premium cardstock for those chocolate lovers. And then I got just the midnight black. And then I got these sprays right here. These was $119. They was 40% off. And then I got me another Cutterbug embossing folder. It's this one here. The honeycomb. So I got that. And like I said, I was very disappointed because I just knew that I was going to get some of this new paper. But, alright you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Alright, have a good Saturday. Bye.